Dear students, in my last video I just introduced IELTS listening, and in this video I am gonna talk about some of important tips that are so much helpful for IELTS listening exam. So in IELTS listening there are some of the tips, okay, so you have to follow those all the tips. Now let me explain thoroughly. Check the headphone properly before starting the exam. So before exam starts, you have to check the headphone, because most of the students face the headphone just error. They may get any problem in headphone at the time of IELTS listening. That's why just check your headphone properly, and then in headphone just make the appropriate sound for you. Okay, so some as you need, as you require, what is the volume level comfortable for you. Accordingly you can just set your volume and set your headphone. Okay, the next one is that read the question clearly and underline the keywords. If you read the question very clearly and underline the keyword, you can just suppose that what will be uttered in the audio, or what sort of audio you will get. You can just guess, okay, or anticipate. The next one is that move together with audio. If you miss one, leave it and move forward. Okay, at the time of audio play, if you miss any one question's answer, at the time please don't get confused inside that specific question, just move forward. Okay, because at last you can guess, there is no negative marking, so that you can guess at the time of transferring in the answer sheet. Okay, so at that moment just move forward, no problem. Okay, no need to just worry about that specific one missing question. Okay, it will be more harmful because you may miss the next one also, so that don't get confused. Okay, the next one is read the instruction of the question clearly. No more than 3 words, no more than 2 words or a number, no more than 1 word or a number. I just explained those 3 terms in my last video of IELTS reading tips, because same rules is applied. Rule is applied. Okay, here that's why read the instruction of the question very clearly. Okay. The next one is that at the end of each part you will get half a minute to check your answer. Don't do so. Instead, read the question of next part. It means as I told you, in listening there are 4 parts. At the end of each part you will get half a minute to check your answer. But if you check, you can do nothing. So why to waste your time by checking your answer? Instead, what you can do, you can just read the question of the next part, so that it will be easier for you. Okay. Okay, sometimes wrong answer is told and corrected. Be careful. Okay, in audio sometimes wrong answer is told. For example, at the time of the conversation, one may ask what is the cell number of manager, then the answer will call the cell number of the manager is 9855085801. If it is called, then later they may tell, oh no, that's the number of receptionist, his number is 9846336552. Then again, oh sorry, the previous one was correct. In this case, the correct answer is this one. So be very much careful. Okay, sometimes the conversation will be ended here. Okay, sometimes conversation will be ended here, sometimes conversation will be ended here. Okay, be very much careful, then write the appropriate answer. Okay, to make you confused. Okay, audio is set in that way. Okay, so I forgot to just give you one tips. Be very much careful. Zero, zero, zero. Zero is pronounced as O. Okay, zero is not 9855O. Okay, and then again, if 2 numbers or 2 letters are together, it is called double. For example, nobody tells in audio, you will not get the 98550. You will get 9855O. Okay, 9855. And then sometimes the name of the place, name of a person, they are just pronounced. Oh, sorry, yeah, and they are just spelled up. Okay, out. At the time when they are spelled out, at that time, they just if there are two spelling together, okay, it is called double. Okay, why it is spelled out? You know, the name of the place, the name of a person, okay, may not be. They don't have the fixed spelling. Okay, that's why at the time, for example, know what the spelling of Jack, Jack, Jacque, both may be the correct answer. So at the time, which is the correct answer? So at the time, if in the audio, if you are asked what's your name, at the time he told my name is Jack, and then after that what happens? So could you please spell that? Then he tells Jacque, then you have to write down this one. Okay, in this way it is spelled out. Okay, so at the time of being spelled out, okay, if two letters are together, it is called double. Or two number are together, it is called double. Okay, then zero is pronounced as O. Be very much careful. Okay, the last one tips is, at last you will get 10 minutes time to transfer the answer to an answer sheet. Okay, at the time of transferring, make full capitalization. So after the audio, during the audio, you will write the answer in the question paper. Okay, but after ending the audio, you will get 10 minutes time to transfer your answer to an answer sheet. At the time, okay, just while transferring, make full capitalization. It is not mandatory indeed to make full capitalization, but in order to avoid the chances of punctuation error, okay, you can follow this. Okay, so these are some important tips you have to follow, and you will get better score. If you have any confusion while practicing IELTS listening, so just do raise your question in the comment box. Thank you.